Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you top tricks for your earbuds VIVO TWS 3E. And the first one that you have adjusters on these earbuds, and with them you can play or pause the song, you can play next or previous track, you can call voice assistant, you can also answer the call or finish the call and reject the call. And you can customize it, because by default we have only play pause at the double press, so we need to open VIVO earphones application, click at our earbuds at the device list, and right here we have shortcut action. So right here you can set something for you. For the press and hold we can only select which mode we will swap with the gesture. Okay, next one, you can improve your listening experience by changing equalizer preset, and right here we have DivX stereo effect. You just enter here, select the best one for you. Here's bass boost, it calls mega bass here, and also select this mode and use it. Also, these earbuds have ANC, what mean Active Noise Cancellation, so you can enable it in the application or by gesture, by press and hold at your left or right earbud. When you met someone, you don't need to remove your earbuds, you can enable transparency mode. And again, like with ANC, you can use an application and enable it here, or use gestures for it. Next one, these earbuds support dual connection, so you can connect two devices to your earbuds simultaneously. And also these earbuds support LC3 codec. This one is high resolution audio codec, so it's not available for Apple devices, but you need to check is your phone support this codec to use it. Now, if you have some trouble with your earbuds, you can perform a factory reset by put your earbuds to the charging case and then press and hold both of the touch areas for at least 15 seconds until the LED light on the front side start flashing orange. But I recommended before press and hold at these gestures, so you put it inside the charging case, close the case and open it again, because without it sometimes you don't want to perform a factory reset. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later.